Alright you guys, so I'm going to start off with an eyeshadow base. This is the NW20 Select. So using a beauty blender, I'm just going to go ahead and blend that all the way in. Alright you guys, so I'm using this middle color in my crease. Using a MAC 224 brush and then just bringing it up to the front. So now I'm using the Morphe palette. I'm using these two eyeshadows in a 217 to blend lower into my crease. So I went ahead and blended those colors. And now I'm bringing that into the crease, the lower crease. All right, so now I'm taking the two darkest colors in the palette right next to the ones we previously used, and these are going on the... All right, so with that dark brown in the palette, we're going to start giving ourselves more dimension. All right, so what I'm actually doing is just stamping the darker color, and we're gonna go back and blend. All right, so as you can see, we have a harsh line. So now we're just gonna go back in and blend that out. So with a clean brush, I'm just blending that out until there's no demarcation lines or anything like that. All right, so taking the black in the palette, I'm just gonna apply that on the outer corners. You guys, so we're doing a cut crease, so it's okay if it looks a little crazy. Now I'm taking more of the NW20 Select Cover Up, and I'm going to... I'm gonna attempt to cut the crease while recording this Snapchat. Alright you guys, so I cut my crease. It was a little hard to do it while recording, but yeah. Look at that. So now that we have cut our crease, I'm going to go back in with the Morphe palette. And I'm going to use that shimmery blue. Wait, which one? Yeah. The one at the top. Alright, you guys. So now I'm using Hello from the Morphe palette in James Charles. And I'm putting this in the front. Alright, you guys. So now I'm using this really pretty blue. This is from MAC and it's limited edition, so I'm not sure. Alright, so now I'm going to go into Playground. Which is like a deeper blue, and we're gonna apply that next to the MAC. All right, so do you guys see like this patchiness that's going on? I'm just gonna go over this with a MAC Atlantic. So I laid down Atlantic Blue for MAC, and that looks so freaking good. Like that Morphe color was really awesome. So now I'm going back and forth with different brushes and colors, just to blend all of the colors and make them look. So this is where things are gonna get a little interesting. I've tried using the Morphe like purples before, and it ruined my look. So I am going to try to use this purple. This one's called Escape, and right, you guys, so look at the fallout. So now what I'm doing is I'm kind of trying to line the lash line a little bit, and then we're gonna bring this. So now I'm taking Black Black for MAC in a 210, and I'm gonna do it. So I have the winged liner done. Now we're gonna go move on. So these are the lashes done. I'm just gonna wait for them to dry. Meanwhile, I'm gonna apply my concealer. The concealer that I'll be using today is this Ulta Full Coverage Concealer, and I'm gonna keep going back and forth and kind of like fixing my eyelashes and making sure everything is good. All right, so I did my under eye concealer, and I'm just gonna take a little bit of my Laura Mercier powder and set under my eyes with a little beauty blender sponge. All right, you guys, so I went ahead and applied the MAC Chromographic Yellow Pencil to my waterline, and then I'm just gonna smoke out some colors. All right, so I'm taking a 217, or no, this is a Coastal Suns brush, why am I lying? And I'm going to take this orangey color from the Morphe palette, and I'm gonna smudge that on the bottom. All right, so I'm just taking that same color and just bringing it pretty low. Okay, so I just smoked like a bunch of different colors. I don't even know. They're all from the Morphe palette. It's like the purple that I used on the outer corner. And now I'm going to apply Extended Play Mascara at the bottom. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. It's giving me like 90s soft drink vibes. Alright, guys, so make sure to follow me on Instagram for more looks. Bye.